A lovely good afternoon to my lovely kids of class 2nd. Again I am here, your maths teacher for online classes of Gokul Public School. So, do you know what book we are going to do today? आपको पता है आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So, am I given you some homework? मैंने आपको कुछ homework दिया था. Yes. Of which chapter? Chapter number 3. Even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. Okay. So I have told you to complete chapter test in book itself as a homework. So have you done? Yes. So very good. So today I am going to write all the answers of chapter test here on the board. So you have to check all the answers whether you have done it correct or not. अगर correct है so very good, keep it up, and अगर गलत है so erase it and write the correct answer. Okay, so I hope सभी ने किया homework. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So let's start solving chapter test. So first all of you open your books, page number 45 past page number 45. Chapter test. So you have to do the chapter test in book itself. आपको बुक में ही इसके आंसर लिखना है, बट ये ऐसा नहीं कि आपने इसको कॉपी में नहीं लिखा है तो एग्जाम में इसमें से मैम नहीं पूछेगी. You have to learn chapter test also from book only. So let's start. So have you, all of you have color pencils? So take out yellow color and red color. आप yellow color निकालेंगे and red color निकालेंगे. So the first question is you have to color odd number with red color. Okay, odd number with red color. Okay, and you have to color even number with yellow color. Why odd number with red and even number with yellow? आपने सोचा कि ऑड को रेड और इवन को येलो क्यों कहा? ऑड को येलो भी तो कर सकते थे और इवन को रेड. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? इसमें भी ऑड और इवन है. ठीक है, ऑड नंबर्स दैट मींस व्हेन वी राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ ऑड, जब हम अल्फाबेट्स की पेयरिंग करते हैं तो दो ये बच गया, दैट मींस ऑड. स्पेलिंग ऑफ ऑड इज ऑड नंबर. रेड में भी जब हम दोनों की पेयर बनाएंगे तो डी बच गया, दैट मीन्स अल्फाबेट्स इन स्पेलिंग ऑफ रेड इज ऑल्सो इन ऑड नंबर. नाउ कम टू द इवन. व्हेन वी राइट इवन 2 and 2, no alphabet left, that means the number of alphabets in even number is even. And let's make pair of color yellow by E, one pair, double L second pair, and OW the third pair. No alphabet left, that means the alphabet in the alphabet in yellow is also even number. इसलिए odd means red because red is having number of letters, odd number of letters, and yellow is having even number of letters, even number of alphabets. So we will color even number with yellow color and odd number with red color. So let's start doing. So the first number is 101, 101. So what is the ones place digit? 1, and 1 is odd number. So you have to color 101 with red. So I am writing all the answers. Okay. So you check fast. So 101 is odd number. Next is 24 is even number. 26 is again even number. 30 is odd number. 430 is even number. 711 is odd number. Understood? 20 is again even number because its ones place digit is 0 and 0 is considered as even number. 23 is odd. 84 is even. 96 is Okay, now let's move to the next question. Next question is write odd number. You have to write what you have to write. You have to write odd number that just come before. Okay, you have to write before number and that should be odd number. So first I am writing all the questions. 125. 77, 183, and last is 531. So what you have to write? You have to write the before number of this number, but that number should be odd number. The number should not be even number. So first we will check the number that come before 125 is 124. The number that come before 125 is 124. But 124 is even number. But you have to write odd number. लेकिन 124 जो है वो even number है. But which number you have to write? You have to write odd number. So हम एक steps और आगे जाएंगे. So the number that come before 124 is 123. So is 123 odd number? Yes, 123 is odd number. So we will write here 123. 123. Now see the next question. Question is 77. Now the same procedure that which you have to write the number before number of 77 and number should be odd number. So the number that come before 77 is 78. Sorry. Wait students, the number that comes 77 is 76. But 76 is even number. So the number that comes before 76 is 75. And 75 is odd number. So write here 75. Clear? Understood? जिसने कर लिया है, very good. I am clap for all the students, those who have done these questions on their own. ठीक है? Now see the next question, 183. So number that comes 183 is 182, but 82 is even number. So we will move one more step before it. So 181. 181. Next question is 531. So number that come before 531 is 530. But again it is an even number. So we will write one more number that come before 30 is 29. So 529. Copy fast. This we have done. Second question. Now the third question is you have to write even number that come after the given number. Okay, the same question, but in this question you have to write before number and that should be odd. Now in this question we have to write even number that just come after the given number. So first I am writing all the questions. So 92. Next is 76. So I'll make the circle bigger. Next is 123 and the last is 313. Okay, now let's check. First read the question. Write the even number just after each of the following numbers. Now see what is the first question. 92. 92. So the number that come after 92 is 93. But is 93 a even number? क्या 93 even number है? No. Why? Because the ones place digit is 3 and 3 even number की place value नहीं होती है. Okay, so the number that come after 92 is 93, but 93 is odd number, but we have to write even number. So number that come after 93 is 94. So write 94. 94. Clear? I hope all of you are understanding. सभी को समझ में आ रहा है? Okay? Now see, the next number is 76 and number that come after 76 is 77. But again 77 is odd number and we have to write even number. So number that come after 77 is 78 and 78 is even number. So write here 78. 78. Now the next number is 123 and number that comes after 123 is 124 and 124 is even number, so 124. 124. Now next is 313 and the number that comes after 313 is 314 and 314 is again even number, so write here 314. Copy fast. Now the next question is fill in the blanks. Now I am writing only answers on the board. Okay. Fourth question is fill in the blanks. So the first is 371 is an dash number, even or odd. You have to identify that whether 371 is even number or odd number. So it is a odd number. Very good. Why? Because the ones place digit is 1 and 1 is odd number. B. The even number that come after 138 is, even number लिखना है जो 138 के बाद आएगा. So after number of 138 is 139. But 39 is odd number, but we have to write even number, so it should be 140. 140. Next is the odd number that come after. This may be after it, but it should be odd number. So the odd number that come after 87 is 89. Very good. D. The number before and after the odd number. अगर कोई odd number है, suppose I am writing here odd number 15 and here I am writing again another odd number 9. So the number that come before and after odd number, जो number odd number के before और after आता है. So after number of 15 is 14 and before number of 16. And either here is 8 and 10. So these numbers are even numbers. So the number that come before and after odd number is always even number. So write here even. Even. Write fast. Now last is odd plus odd. If you are adding two odd numbers, so take any two odd numbers. अगर हम दो odd number को plus करते हैं, so take any two odd numbers. मैं अलग ले रही हूँ, आप भी अलग दो odd numbers लेके उनको plus कर सकते हैं. Suppose I am taking 3 and 5. Okay, these two are odd numbers. Now I am adding these two numbers and answer is 8. So when we add two odd numbers, the answer will be even number. One more example I am going to take. 15 plus 11. These two are odd numbers. So when we add 15 plus 11, so it will be 26, and 26 is again even number. So when we add two odd numbers, the result is always even number. So write even. Even. Write fast. Now see the fifth question. Copy the fill in the blanks fast. So I will rub with the board. Now see. Shivani has 23 pens. उसके पास 23 pens हैं. And she wants to make a pair of two. उसको दो दो की पेयर बनाना है. अब उसके पास 23 pens हैं. Okay? कितने pens हैं? 23. So suppose I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. ठीक है? अभी उसको how many pens she need? अभी उसको कितने pens की जरूरत है कि वो 15 सेट बना सके पेन का, और वो भी दो दो के पेयर के. तो अभी अपन दो दो के पेयर बनाते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. अभी उसके सिर्फ 11 ही पेयर बने. उसको कितने पेयर बनाना है? 15. तो उसको और कितने पेन्स की जरूरत है? सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. ये हो गया 12. यहाँ से हमने ऐड किया है 1, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 पेयर हो गए. तो कितने पेयर हमने ऐड किए? स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम दिस. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many pens we add? 7. So answer of fifth question is 7 pens. So write 7 pens. Is that clear to you? ठीक है? Write fast. Now the next question. 6A. In question number 6A, you have to write all the odd numbers between 42 and 56. Which numbers you have to write? You have to write odd numbers. हमें odd numbers लिखना है 42 से 42 से 56 के बीच में जितने भी odd numbers आते हैं वो लिखना है. So start writing 42. After 42, 43 odd number, 44 even number, then 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 and 56 is even number. Write fast. जितने भी इवन नंबर्स हैं उनको ड्रॉप कर दो, उसको छोड़ दो, और बचे हुए जो ऑड नंबर्स हैं उनको लिख दो. नाउ दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 325 and 358. So you have to write all the odd numbers between 325 and 358. Now start writing 25, 26, 27, 29, 31, 33, 343, 345, 347, 349, 351 and 353. So all these are odd numbers that comes between 325 and 358. So one more will be there, 55, sorry, 55 sorry, 351, then 353, then 355, and one more will be there, 357, because it is 358. I think it was 55. Okay, so till 57 you have to write. Now the last question is 7. And what you have to write? You have to write even numbers between 40 and 93. So you have to write all the even numbers that comes between 40 and 93. So start writing after 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, then 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90, and last will be 92. So many even numbers are there between 40 and 93. So I hope all of you have done your homework correctly and match your homework. And if you have written something wrong, you can correct your work. Okay, erase it and write fast. So here we have completed. Now the mental maths also is there. The smallest even number is 2. Which is the smallest even number? Tell me. Smallest even number? Smallest even number is 2. Smallest odd number 1. 7 is an even number. True or false? False. Write the next 4, 7 even numbers. आपको even numbers लिखना है. उसके बाद के सारे. So it should be 14, 16, 18 and 20. So here we have completed chapter even and odd numbers. So we will start new chapter in our next lecture. Till then, have a good day, nice day, take care of yourself. Bye kids.